Ayun guys, bali pala sa nakaraan ay pumunta tayo sa Japan. Ngayon naman guys, tayo ay pupunta sa ilalim ng dagat. At makikita ninyo yung view na kung saan ay daraan yung ating motorcycle sa isang transparent glass. At tara, panoorin po natin.
But you just push me behind. I tried to be friendly, but all you was me saying how you'll always be so much better than me. But I kept going. I wasn't gonna let anyone take me down. I stood strong, and look at me now. 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 I started at the bottom, but rose to the top. You saw me climbing and tried to get me to stop. Later you told everyone we were besties, but in reality you never felt that way for me. I kept going, I never let anyone take me down. I stood strong, and look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. But you just pushed me behind. I tried to be friendly, but all you was me saying how you'll.
Yun guys, kung makikita ninyo, talagang ang ganda tingnan. Makikita natin yung mga isda na lumalangoy na ating nadadaanan. At siya nga pala guys, maraming salamat sa nanonood ng aking video. At ako rin po talaga sa inyo ay manonood. At yun naman po, ingat naman tayo sa lahat sa ating pang-araw-araw na gawain. At huwag po natin kalimutan yung ating din sarili. Ingat sa ating katawan. At kahit tayo ay laging may trabaho guys, dapat bigyan din natin ng rest yung ating sarili para lalo pa natin magampanan yung ating mga trabaho sa sunod ng mga araw at mga gagawin. Yun lamang guys, muli maraming salamat po sa lahat. At don't forget to subscribe and like sa ating video guys. At ako rin po sa inyo ay magsasubscribe. Maraming salamat po. Ingat-ingat lang po palagi.